This is another version making a smaller Turkmen dumpling or manty, and you can see Altine is using a little teacup to make her shapes, and they're small, much smaller, and they're round. We are taking some water, and Altine is going right around the edge, and she's dampening it. She's put her meat in, she folds it in half, and she pinches it. It almost looks like a Japanese or a Korean dumpling. Oh, and then a little twist at the top. Let's get another shot of this.
Oh, very cute.
Okay, so we've put water around the edge of the dough. Add our filling. We're going to fold it in half, pinch the edges, and then there's this neat little twist here where she's going to connect the top. She makes a little dimple, and then there we go. Finished. They would be boiled in water, or they could be boiled in soup for about 10 minutes.